everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be creating a smoky green cut crease. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel down below. And if you haven't already and didn't come from watching the previous video, make sure you check it out. It's a updated brow tutorial on how I got these perfect sharp brows, okay sis? So make sure you do that and come back here to check out this glam tutorial, and let's just get into it.
Put it in five, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way, I'll be on the way.
Okay, so for today's eye look, I'm going to be using my beat up Jaclyn Hill palette. It's really dirty and I tried to get all of that off of it, but I'm a messy girl when it comes to makeup and stuff, because art is messy but it's creative. And now I'm just rambling. For the lid space, I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place Zulu palette for this beautiful vibrant green shade. So let's just get into it. So recently I've ran out of my Tarte concealer that I use all the time for my lid looks. So I'm going to scrape whatever's in the bottle and apply it onto my lid. Alright, I'm going to be using this fluffy brush. Now I'm going to be using this shade right here as our transition shade. I'm going to tap the brush and then I'm just going to apply that right up here. Okay, so next I'm going to be using this shade right here, and right after using this shade I'm going to jump right into these two, and I'm going to be using the same exact brush. Okay, so next I'm just going to jump straight into this brown tone down here. You can see. Apply the shadow right on the crease as well, but we want to focus it like in there, like where the bone of your eye socket is. I think that's what it's called. Next, I'm going to be mixing this shade right here with this one down here, which is a really dark brown. So these two shades right here with the same brush. And I'm only going to take this brown from the outer corner halfway onto my lid. I'm not going to bring it all the way in there, because then it's going to be a little too harsh on the lid. And just lightly bring it halfway in there. Applying a little more of those same two brown shadows. Just like patting it in and bringing it in there. Now I'm going to take another fluffy brush from Morphe, but it's a more compacted brush. It's not as fluffy as the other one, and I'm going to lightly tap into this very black eyeshadow. This is my favorite black eyeshadow that I've ever owned this far, until I get the Unleash Your Inner Artist by James, because I can't wait. It's going to be so lit. And with that little bit of black that we applied on the tip of the brush, I'm going to focus it out here and then up here, just to give it an extra, just to give it a little bit of drama. Now we are done with the Morphe palette. Now we're gonna go into the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. He uses green right there. But first we have to cut the crease. So I'm gonna take a little bit more of the LA Girl concealer that I use to clean up my eyebrows. Taking it on the same flat brush. And we're just gonna cut the crease. So just like that, I'm going to take some of the Tarte concealer to cut the crease, because I feel like the LA Girl concealer isn't thick enough or bright enough. So it's not going to give me that crispiness that I want on my cut crease. I'm going to take this small flat brush and I'm going to spray it first with my Mario Badescu, whatever the hell, spray. And I like spraying my brushes before I use any metallic shade. So I'm just going right in there. And you see how good it picked it up because the brush is wet. Well, not wet, but y'all get it. And then we're just going to apply it right on top of that concealer. And oh my god, it's so bright. So now that we have applied that bomb ass green shade, we're gonna go back into the Morphe palette with the really dark brown and a mixture of the really dark brown and the black, and we're just gonna smoke out the edge of this line right there. We don't want it there, so we're just gonna smoke the brown and the black into it. But up here, you only want to do it a tad bit just to smoke out the edges, and then down here you want to take it a little bit more in, so it has like a angled type of blur. Just like that. Now I'm going to take my Clinique liquid eyelining pen that I've been using all the time lately because it's so easy to use and manipulate. So I'm just going to create a small line on my lid for when I apply my lashes. Okay, I'm gonna do a wing. Just like that. So now I'm going to finish this eye, apply lashes off camera. These are the lashes that I'm going to be using. And they are from Miss Lashes. If you watched my last video, you'll know. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final look for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this mini tutorial or tutorial overall. And make sure to watch the brow tutorial before this video or after. If you haven't already seen it, make sure to subscribe down below and thumbs up this video for more videos with holiday glam looks involved. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure to follow me and DM me some looks or some techniques that you guys would like me to make a video on for you to learn and for me to explain to you if I know how to do it, because of course I'm not a professional. I am not a professional. I am just an influencer doing makeup looks on YouTube to help you guys and just to express my love for makeup and transformation. So yeah, I hope to see you guys next time, and stay blessed, stay peaceful, and bye.
Why you gonna do like that? Why you gonna keep that thing from me?